Um, yeah, I received a big box. Can you see what it says? If you are a cheese lover, you will love this. Let's open. So this is what it looks like inside. Can you see me? Jenny, thank you for supporting me. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. And this is the main box. How pretty is this? It's like opening a present. Oh my gosh. This is the sea salt cracker. Look at the little mermaid. It's not little, it's a lady mermaid. Oops. Wait, I'm gonna run out of time. This is the caramelized onion chutney. And this is the, wait, wow. This is the cheese selection. Guys, the packaging in this is crazy. This is Munch's Mighty Mature Cheddar. It's so cute. This is the Yorkshire Blue. And this is the, what is this? Cranberry cheddar cheese. Can you see? And this is the authentic smoked cheddar. And what is this? Ah, this is to keep it cool. Oh my gosh, they made it so pretty. Look at that. So when you order this cheese selection, just on here on the left side you can order this. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I have all the cheeses in here and the cracker. I want to do a taste test on what they taste like. I'm gonna start with this. Shall we start with the Yorkshire Blue? The Yorkshire Blue looks like this. Oh, it smells so nice. And this is the chutney. It smells so good, guys. So that's the inside. That's the Yorkshire Blue and the cracker. And I'm gonna put a little bit of chutney. And let's taste it. The next one will be the cranberry cheddar cheese. That's the cheese, a little bit of chutney. This is so good as well. And the next one will be the authentic smoked cheddar. So when you slice it, that's the inside. And that's the cheese. Oh, smells nice as well. Cheese, the cracker, and the chutney. It's very good. What do you want me to say? It's just so good. Can you please forgive me? I don't want to break this. I don't. Do I have to? Just at the bottom, okay? Just a tiny bit. Ooh. Look at that. Look. Oh, that's the cheese. It's so rich. I need red wine. This is also good. If I say they are all good, they are all good. This chutney is to die for.